elevators a lot in the streets of Milan.
Diba? Social!
It's a very social. Unahin mo muna siya kasi.
Bali teka siya.
See the buildings?
Yan.
See that?
Yan.
We're waiting for the elevator to be available because we're going down to the metro. Because that's how their transportation is in the metro. Should have yung metro sa Cebu is Gaisano Metro lang.
Click!
Wow!
Spray.
Gloves ka.
Oh my God! Look at the Lola.
Dami yung dulo.
They do it all by themselves. Kita mo yan? Oh my God, this is what it is like here. You have to do it yourself. But I have a broom. This is my broom.
Okay.
Yan na, we're inside the elevator. We're going down to the metro to ride the train.
Yes.
We're going inside the metro to get into the train. So now we're going in. Tara na broom.
Ambay muna tayo dito ha.
Sorry, this is the elevator. So they have elevators in their subway for people like me who are very, very lazy to walk. Minsan nga lang mapanghi yung elevator, merong umihihi. Oh my God! We're covered by the blood of Jesus. We will infect it with the blood of Jesus.
Bro, mahirap naman pumasok English eh.
Sige, pumasok kasi.
So yun na nga.
Hanggang 3 levels down yan. You know what I mean? Going out for dinner with the millennials and the millennials. The millennials. Sayang wala na si John Yaman dito. Wala tuloy ako inspiration. Here we are on our road trip to Milan.
Let's go! Yun na nga. Ngayon, we will going to Cairoli Castle. Sa Italian, Castello. Kasama natin si Pastor, Bro,
Yes.
Ate Jinky, ayan. Isang videographer namin.
Siyempre,
Pakita mo yung mukha mo.
Sige na.
So, ayan. Siyempre, ako,
kilala nyo na siya kung sino siya.
So, ngayon, nasa metro kami. We are already in Lima. So, susunod sa Lima, 6.
Papunta ng Garibaldi.
So yun na nga. Kakagaling lang namin sa Castelo. Ngayon, papunta na kami. Saan? Garibaldi. Yun na nga. So yun na nga.
Ganda mo ng vlog.
Oh, let's go na daw.
So, yun na nga. Nasa Italy kami. And, yun na nga. Wala pa rin pala mag-vlog.
Ayun na yung elevator.
Manderleft? Yun na nga. Sabi na.
So, pupunta kami saan? Sante?
Sa tabihan na din yung
Tapos kakain kami doon.
Yun na nga.
So, yun. Nasa tram kami ngayon. Tapos pupunta kami sa may banda. Hindi ko alam kung saan banda. Pero gutom ka na. Medyo sobra. Medyo pero sobra.
This is not a train. This is not a bus. This is a train. Night trail. So, experience everything here.
Ayun, so, yun. Yun yung epekto pag gutom.
That's the rule.
See you later, guys.
Beautiful lady singing.
Lako, diba? Ginina.
So just ganun.